Here's a certified 2015 Mercedes-Benz SLK. When you're in command of this SLK, it's not about the destination, it's about the drive. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Streaming audio, power heated mirrors, power tilting steering column, auto-dimming rear view mirror, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, automatic transmission, power retractable hardtop, gas pressurized shocks, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Of the SLK, New Car Test Drive declares it carved through the corners like an Olympic slalom skier and had just the right amount of power to sprint from one turn to the next. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,